Hey kids! Today I'm drawing a tractor. Let's draw and paint it together. At first I'm drawing a bucket of the tractor. Next I'm drawing a tractor. I'm drawing a rear wheel. I love draw and paint tractor. Let's try to draw with me. Front wheel of the tractor. Let's draw an exhaust here. And I'm drawing the windows of the tractor. Light blue. Purple. Orange. Blue. Green. Brown. Black. Purple. Light blue. Brown. Orange. Red. Done! Now I use my magic marker. Look! The colors are changing! Do you like it? Subscribe and like. Bye bye.